Hello everyone, my name is Srijit and today we are going to present a final project from CS532 with my teammate Yash. We have developed a project titled Movie Dataset Analysis using MongoDB. So let's jump into it. The problem statement. As we all know that IMDb is world's most popular website for movie, TV shows, reviews, ratings and other kind of stuffs. So which is launched on October 17th, 1990. Owner of this site currently is Amazon.com. So by keeping this website as a source of motivation, we have created a similar web application which will perform different operations like IMDb. In this web application, we have used MongoDB as a database, and as a middleware, we have used Django. In movie dataset analysis project, we are going to extract significant information from a very large dataset, which is a collection of movies released before year 2017. We got this dataset from Kaggle.com. Based on this dataset, we will analyze the movie based on the below mentioned criteria, like top rated movies, most popular movies by genre, box office collection, and highest rated movies by critics. Now, let's see the software design and the tools that we have used in this project. For database, we have used MongoDB. MongoDB is an open source database which provides supports to store unstructured data. It is an open source document-based database. For front end, we have used HTML and CSS to show results to the users in a friendly manner. And in middleware or a backend, we have developed a web app using Django framework, which will connect MongoDB using Python framework. Now, the supported queries and functionalities that we have implemented in our project. We have divided our project in two different categories. 4 queries will be the basic queries, and next 4 queries will be sophisticated queries. So the first basic query will be, as per the user request, we will show top rated movies. Like if user goes on a website and if he asks for some top rated movies based on some rating or anything entered by user, the website will show the top rated movies. Second query will be if a user selects most popular movies, then we will show the user most popular movies based on certain criteria selected by the users, like movies by genre, movies based on cast, or movies based on revenue. So these comes under basic queries. After that, we have also implemented sophisticated queries. Now the sophisticated queries like querying movie dataset with filters selected by users, which will combine data from different columns based on user selections. Like user can enter like ratings 7 and the genres will be like drama and suspense. So combining both these columns, the results will be shown to the users. The second sophisticated query will be based on keywords, show movies to the users. Like users can enter horror and thriller movies, and based on that criteria, we will show users the movies. The third query will be the based on vote average and vote count. We will find the best movies in selected genre. The fourth sophisticated query is movies which is successful, and this success is measured by number of rating out of 5 and the box office collection over the budget. So now the next part is how we have actually implemented and how actually the web app application will work in real time. and that will be covered by my teammate Yash.
Hello everyone. So I'm here to directly present you the practical approach of the project. Okay, so altogether from 8 queries, we have performed 5 queries. So 3 queries were somehow redundant in some ways, like they were just acting as a find query. So we managed to do like 5 queries overall. So first query is to filter the data set by providing a keyword. So I will just provide a word or just a movie name, and it will give me a list or exactly that movie from the data set which we want. So suppose if I type Manji, so it should give me the exact movie which I want. Here it is. So suppose if I just type JU, so now this will give me anything that includes JU. So here here the JU is there. Over here JU is there. So it just takes JU as a regular expression and queries it accordingly. So let's move on to the second query. Second query is to filter the dataset genre wise. So here we have options like horror, comedy, adventure, thriller, anything. So I'll type comedy. So this will generate movies which are genre comedy. Now the next query is to find out a successful movie in a respective genre. So successful movie is queried out on basis of rating and the revenue that it generates. So for querying purpose, we have fixed the revenue for about 300 million, because that's what successful movies usually make. So I'll enter a rating, suppose 8, and I'll enter the genre as adventure. So now this will give me a list of movies with rating 8 or 8 more than 8, and their revenue will be more than 300 million. So these are the parameters by which we judge the movie is successful. Now the next query is a complicated query. The reason behind it is that our data set consists of 4 to 5 collections. So the main collection is metadata, which stores information about more than 45,000 movies, and it does not contain a credits column. So credit is another collection from which we'll get all the credit history behind the movie. So credit history includes all the actors, directors, and all the production crews that worked behind that movie. So this query involved a lot of operators, as in it involved lookup, aggregate, match, and project. So the display of this query is not that good, but it will display. So let's type a name. For example, I'll Toy Story as is the first movie. So now we get a big list of credit history behind that movie. No, that's not the proper way to display it, but that. So now the last query is like CRUD operations, which is the basic query, I guess. So this query is performed from admin page that is provided by Django. So here I have registered 3 of my collections. So metadata collection. In that, if I want to add a movie, I just click add metadata. And then I'll just give a title. Demo. And anything you want, you can fill it. Directly add it to the database. Which हेलो
डन क्या?
नहीं रुक जा, इतना पार्ट थोड़ा रुक जाना क्योंकि कनेक्ट हो रहा है डेटाबेस. इतना पार्ट कट करना. टाइप कर लेता हूँ उसके बाद. चलो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. Okay, so this is the metadata that we entered. Here's the title, here's that we gave, and here's the genre. In the way, you can also delete it, update it however you want. So that's our project. बस